Use of technology, exam accommodations. Use of technology for people with disabilities. There has been a recent surge of AI tools and apps that support people with disabilities. More and more technologies are being developed to include and empower people with disabilities. Many of these apps are available free of cost. One such free AI tool is QuillBot. Among several other uses, QuillBot can also be used for supporting children with print disabilities. It can be used for converting speech to text as well as text to speech. QuillBot speech-to-text converter can be used during exams. The resulting document of the candidate's answers can then be formatted as required. It can also be printed as the answer sheet for grading. Interested? Let us look at a quick demonstration of the QuillBot speech-to-text tool where the teacher reads out a question and the student provides an oral answer. For the demonstration, I have separated my screen into two parts. On the left side, I have QuillBot speech-to-text tool, free online speech-to-text converter. And on the right side, I have a Word document. Let us start the demonstration. Click Start Recording. What is cross-pollination? Cross-pollination is the transfer of pollen grains from the stamen of one flower to the stigma of another flower. QuillBot has detected my oral answer and converted it into text. Let us select this text, cut it and paste it in the Word document. Let us separate the answer to the next line. Now I will demonstrate another language. Start recording. तूफान और पेड़ की लड़ाई का क्या परिणाम हुआ? तिनके ने देखा कि वह अब भी मरा नहीं बल्कि जीता जागता है। उसने अनुभव किया कि अब वह तिनका नहीं, तूफान का एक भाग है और तूफान उसके बिना अधूरा है। तूफान की ताकत उसके बिना छोटी है। Without any additional settings, QuillBot has detected my oral answer as Hindi. Let us select this text, cut it and paste it in the Word document. Let us take the answer to the next line. In a similar manner, we can complete the rest of the questions in the question paper and then click on the Save button. Now this answer sheet can be printed and submitted to the teacher for grading. Now it's your turn. Follow these steps to use QuillBot. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. Search QuillBot speech-to-text in your search engine. Or go to this link. The link is shared in the description of this video. Click the Start Recording button. Speak a sentence aloud and then click the Stop Recording button. Your spoken words will appear as text. And now try it with another language. Now don't stop here. Use it for education and evaluation. So, in what ways do you plan to use QuillBot? Have you used any other AI tools for children with special needs? Please share your thoughts and questions in the comments. Thank you.